In this video, I will show you how to save your active recruiting flyer as PDF. So first off, we recommend using S'more to do this project, and I recommend using Chrome as your browser as it is easier to save this as a PDF. So once you're done making all of your edits to your flyer and it's ready to go, you're going to hit Publish Changes if you've previously saved it before. And then over in the right hand menu, you're going to hit Print or Download PDF. And another box is going to pop up and you're going to want to hit Print Flyer. And when this comes up, we're going to go to Destination, and mine is already set to save as PDF, but if yours is not, you're going to hit Change. And then under Print Destinations, you'll see Save as PDF. You want to select that one, and then hit Save, save as whatever you would like, and you'll be good to go.